Everyone, update Sapphire 2-box. Good luck. Bounty's at 825. We don't see it this break. Goes up to 850 for the next one. Good luck. Trevor May, Turnbull, Cole Tucker, and Luke Jackson. Green of the Twins, the Minnesota Twins team card, Miguel Sano and Buxton. What's up, Brittany? Got that one like 10 times yesterday, too. I don't think Jimenez has autos, Henny, does he? Zach Wheeler, Lance Lynn. Ke'Bryan Hayes, rookie for the Pirates. Casey Mize, Yoshi Tsutsugo. Oh, he does? I don't think we've ever hit one. Cabert Ruiz. Some guys are just super tough. Let's see it right here. It's a twin. Alex Kirilloff for the Twins. Schmitty gets his boy. It's a full-on Twins box. They get the auto and the color. Yeah, that's what I thought. That makes sense. Kirilloff just hasn't been able to get healthy. Stay healthy. Tino rookie for the Rays. Brogdon rookie for the Phils. Clark Schmidt rookie for the Yanks. Alec Bohm. Taylor Trammell, Bo Bichette, Cronenworth rookie for the Padres, green of Wade Davis. Wade Davis, guy used to be elite. McClanny for the Rays. Mountcastle for the O's. Tyler Stevenson rookie debut for the Reds. Daz Cameron for the Tigers and Burke. Jamie Burke, Peter Solomon, and Christian Pache for the Braves. Yeah, no bueno. No kill mojo. There's Jimenez for Henny. Trevor Larnick. Kelnick. Who saw Kelnick's bomb last night? That was an absolute shot.